welcome back to the Mr. Excel podcast. I'm Bill Jellett. We've been talking about pivot tables, and sometimes we want to create a pivot table in order to take data to another system. We don't really care about the fact that we can pivot it and all those cool things, where it's really just an intermediate step so that way we can get our data somewhere else. If I create a pivot table today, data pivot table, I'll click finish, add revenue to the pivot table, and then also three other fields: region, product, and customer. Now we have this data, which is great. There's a couple of problems. One, I hate the fact that we don't have the word East filled in all these cells, and I'll show you how to fix that tomorrow. The other thing that bugs me is these rows here with ABC total and no customer data at all, and then further down at the region total, the word East total without any product or customer. Whatever system we're going to import into isn't going to want those blank rows or those totals causing problems in the data. Relatively easy to fix. If we double click the region field, brings up the pivot table field dialog box, change the subtotals to none, and then repeat for all of your other fields, changing the product to none, and now you have a nice tight data set without the extra total rows. Now in tomorrow's podcast, we'll talk about how to get rid of all those extra spaces in the outline view. Hey, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you tomorrow for another podcast from Mr. Excel.